Welcome to day 32 of our Python Coding Challenge series. In this video, we're tackling a practical coding problem, creating a function to report weather conditions based on temperature. Watch as we write a Python function named weatherReport that analyzes the temperature and provides accurate weather reports, whether it's cold, warm, or hot. Input. The input will be a single line containing an integer. Output. The output should be a single line containing the weather report according to the above conditions. Sample input and output are also be given for your reference. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced coder, this tutorial offers valuable insights and hands-on practice to sharpen your Python skills. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for daily coding challenges, tutorials, and tips. Hit the subscribe button, turn on notifications, and join our growing community of Python enthusiasts.